Today I'm going to show you how to unlock a Telegram group chat no matter what's keeping you out. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to unmute a chat, switch a group to public, restore message permissions, or unarchive a missing conversation. Also, you can get back to connecting with your group. Let's get started. First up, maybe your group chat has gone quiet, not because people stopped talking, but because notifications are muted. It happens more often than you think. Maybe you silenced it during a busy week, or a notification overload led you to mute things for a bit. Here, how you bring that chat back to life. Open up Telegram and find the group in question. Just scroll your main chat list like you usually do. Once you're in the group, tap on its name at the very top of your screen. This will take you to the group's info page, kind of like opening the cover of a book to see what's inside. Look for notifications, or sometimes it might say mute. Tap on this and you'll see your mute settings. Select unmute, or if Telegram gives you duration options, pick always on to keep alerts coming, or a shorter time like an hour or a day if you just want a temporary fix. That's it. You'll start getting updates for every new message, ensuring you never miss out on the conversation again. Now let's talk about making your group more accessible. Suppose you're an administrator of a private Telegram group, and you want to unlock it for the public. Let casual browsers discover it and join via a shareable link. First, head into your group chat and once again tap the group name at the top of the screen to reach that info page. Up in the corner, look for the edit icon. It's usually a little pencil, and tap it. Next, find group type or channel type depending on your setup. Here you can switch to public group, which means anyone can find and join it without needing an invitation. You'll be prompted to set a public link, so pick something memorable like t.me/your group name so your friends or community can easily find it. Once you're happy, hit done or the checkmark and your group is out in the open. This can be especially handy if your group is about a hobby, a local event, or anything you want to grow beyond a core circle. Maybe the restriction isn't about joining, but about speaking. Some groups get locked so members can't send messages, turning them into read-only announcement boards. If you're the admin and want to unlock that, here's what you do. Open the group, tap the name at the top, and hit the edit pencil again. In permissions, you'll see a range of toggles. Think of these like switches on a soundboard. Find send messages and make sure it's enabled so anyone can participate. You can also re-enable other features you might have muted before, like sending media or stickers. Tap done to save, and just like that, your group becomes active again. If you're reopening discussion after an announcement period, this step is key to getting people talking once more. Finally, maybe your group hasn't been locked so much as it's gone missing. Often, a group chat is accidentally archived, sliding out of view until you need it again. On your main Telegram chat list, swipe down and you should see Archived Chats at the top. Tap it to show all your snooze conversations. If you're on Android, just long press the group you need. If you're on iOS, swipe left on it. Choose Unarchive from the pop-up, and just like that, your chat is restored to your main list, ready for action. And that's it. Whether your group chat was muted, hidden, read-only, or private, now you know exactly how to unlock it and get things moving again. If this video helped, hit like and drop any questions in the comments below. I always check them out and love helping you troubleshoot. Subscribe for more straightforward tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.